This is Hoops Retail 24-hour 58. Once again, thank you so much to Panini for hooking us up with this. We're going to go 5 times. Good luck to all. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top team is the Spurs. Bottom team is the Knicks. 5 times. Good luck to all. Oh, Karina and Canny both in this.
Ooh, deal breaker.
In 18 and 19, let's find out who got the better team. Hawks to Karina. Canny gets the Celtics. Pelicans in spot 22 to Sean Price. Yeah.
That's boring.
Yeah. Karina probably slightly happier. Just off the first bit. You sure you don't want to help me open these, Sammy? By the time you're done, I'll still be opening. Yes, decent amount of Zions. I'm sure T-Bone has seen exactly how many he got. What about? Smooching. Oh. I'm happy. Yeah, Karina's salty that she didn't get the whiz. 24-hour 56. Yes, I believe that was the one at lunch today. Is that a blaster case break? The blaster cases are happening next week. There is an update on our Facebook page.
It would be better to say you stuffed up that update, Blake, because I remember already seen it.
I mean, it was pretty obvious.
That is just trashing the floor.
Cherry pie personals? No, not yet. Not till we are fully aware of who's picking up and who's. As of tomorrow, cherry pie will be good to open, I believe. Adam getting the Cavs. Bit of Sexton. Bit of Garland. Bit of angry Kevin Porter Jr. Oh, I think I just accidentally timed somebody out. If I've accidentally timed you out or blocked you, I apologize. T-Bone's got to come in and visit to get his pies. He better bring in that French crumpet. You know what I meant. Sexton rookies were 18-19, but it's his second year stuff will just go up as well. No, nothing lower than 99 so far. I don't think there is much. Got to bring Crumpet in to soften Dale up. Oh, this hurts my fingers so much. It would have been so nice to have a break. Oh, I just thought I'd get some help. It wasn't an RPA, it was a second year card. Just cut the top, he says. No, would it? It actually would be quicker, I don't think. Yeah, Magda, come in and help me. Come down to the store right now.
Do not.
Do it. Come down, we'll invite you down, we'll hang out.
May I offer a suggestion?
Yes?
Next pack, try from the bottom.
Yeah. It's the exact same amount of time, the pain doesn't matter, Tabby. I'm going to test it for a few times. I'm undecided, Dale. Hurts a little less, but it's a little bit more fiddly. A little bit more fiddler. That one was a bit better. Tabby, I'll pay it as equally as good. But it hurts less. But more fiddly. That was just so easy. Poor Magda.
They look good.
Yeah.
What flavour are they? Just all people. Ooh.
Oh, wow. That's not how it's pronounced.
Oh, Debbie, you cannot be serious.
You're joking, right? I wouldn't have said it. Alrighty. Yeah, you're not wrong, Joe, but it's got to get done at some point. How much sugars Tabby had today? Have you had any sugar today, Tabby?
And there's sugar in the jam that I had on my toast.
Yeah, he's had shit like that.
Compared to normal.
I guess I have had a bit of sugar today.
Oh, sweet tooth.
That's alright. It's not good.
Oh, no wonder your tooth was bleeding earlier.
Oh, is that right? Is that how it works?
It may have just been his gum. I was very worried. And he's like, I don't taste it, I don't see it, I don't feel it. I'm like, oh. Oh, well, I'm wrong then. Alrighty. Tell you what, packing team did not even try to fill the bin today.
Yeah, right.
You're not wrong, Joe. I maybe should have done that. Oh.
Everyone else is a cook.
It's the fly. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. I'm sending 10 people who get a, who are in the, 10 people will miss out from the blaster break, and everyone else will get a blaster. You'd enter that, wouldn't you, Tabby? It's $70 for a 2 in 3 chance of winning a blaster. Yes, they sure do, Mickey Dell. You can't not send something like that registered. Like, literally. Jonathan Maggie just said, Tabby, I was going to give you my Rubio cards, but listing them up on eBay. Do you want me to time him out, Tabby?
I better not.
Why? Because you might not get any more.
I want Rubios.
Debbie, don't bite. Don't bite.
He wants you to bite.
Do not pick up what he is thinking down.
Oh, poor Magda. Here we go. Now, last night I did this. There was a big shit show on the Cherry Crew, so let's hope that nothing happens this time. You know what I mean? Here we go. Harris, Ross, Lugwen's Dortz, my son also named, etc., etc. Because you can watch this back on 2x speed. Unfortunately, I can't break it at 2x speed. Here we go. Pulling back up my chat so we can all talk. Here we go. Williams, Rose, Monk. It's a juggle out there. Oh, no. Oh, no, no, no. So what's we doing, Tyler?
Maybe sausage.
Did you bring it in?
Veggie.
Bertans, Jones, Darius Baisley. I reckon they would have gone out today, Mickey Dell. Tim Hardaway, LaMarcus Aldridge, Dylan Windler. Galloway, Mitchell, Terrence Davis.
I'm going to start bringing in food more often, I think.
I need to start. Or I could just not. Tatum, Green, McLaughlin. Jackson Conley, Chris Paul tribute. Chris Paul tribute. Come on. Levere, Simmons, Cabangele. Any break that's full is up next, Magda. What a weird question. Kuzma, Okafor, Tremont Waters. Russell, Harris, Horford. Matthews, Mello, Clark.
Just like that, it's overtime.
Rosier, Fultz, Isaiah Roby.
Orange for dessert.
It's a big gamble. Could be.
Yeah.
I have a feeling it's going to be very top.
Ooh.
Gordon, Ariza, Beverly.
No one is too
Chris Dunn, Tyler Johnson, tribute, Karl Malone. I said tart. Oh yeah, I did say tart. I was meant to say Jamal Murray, Kawhi Leonard, Jonas Valanciunas. I thought I said tarp.
We got him, boys.
Kelly Olynyk, Dennis Smith Jr., Nasir Little. Oh, awesome, Brandon. 3 cards. Oh, what a dog. Shamit, Okogie, KZ. I pay it.
Elements.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
That must be.
Hill, Rubio, Poole. Thompson, George, Smith. Winslow, Adams, Ja Morant. Nice. First top loader of the day. Of the break, sorry. Bridges, Ball, Forbes. Ryan, this is a group break, so everybody's paid their spot and all have a random team. Thon McCurr, Rudy Gobert, Goga Batante. Have you listened to NFL 101?
We figured it out.
Green, McCullum, John Stockton.
No, but
You listened to any NFL one yet? Bazemore, Grant, Jalen Noel.
what's his card that he said Whitey stole from?
You didn't steal them off me.
No, he didn't steal.
I reckon.
About 2 years ago now?
Yep. I reckon there's. It was Baker Mayfield rookie year.
2 years ago.
$20 then.
Miles Turner, Rudy Gay, Cody Martin.
Two sold at the time.
Oh.
I wasn't even here.
It's. I reckon there would have been some Josh Allen in there.
Ooh.
By that I mean Josh Rosen.
Oh.
Oh, that's an old one.
Richardson, Baines, tribute, Dirk.
Josh Allen was last year. I don't know.
Young, Yeet, Covington.
Who?
Young Yeet, Covington. Van Yeet. Then.
Oh.
Snorter, Wiggins, Hayes. Ooh. What? Zubac, Bogdanovic, tribute, AD.
Something about Blake today.
That I'm a good winner. Kevin Love, Juan and Gomez, Charles Barkley tribute. Tabby smacked me around a little bit for the power play. Lee, Robinson, Nicholas Claxton. A lot of packs and Tabby not helping you. How does that make you feel, Magda? Yo, EADC. The man who timed you out for no reason. Davis, Randall, Carson Edwards.
There's a reason.
What was it?
He wanted you to be the ZLT.
That's true.
Wow, I better time out the entire chat then.
Oh.
Oh. Thon, Gobert, Valanciunas. Hey, Lukey.
Oh, Tabby struggled.
Denzel, Leonard, Bryn Forbes. Bad? It looked real tight. Tabby, suck that lemon. Winslow, Adams, Tremont Waters.
This doesn't make sense.
What?
It was orange.
Yeah, but you look.
Proceed.
It looks like it's a lemon.
Proceed.
What? How does Tabby always get his oranges to open like mandarins?
I don't know. See, that's not a thing.
LeBron James, Brandon Ingram, Cody Martin.
I'm
You sure it's not a mandarin?
positive. It was too tight.
9 spots left in the red zone minis.
Definitely not.
You want some more?
You look like you're eating a lemon. That's why I made the joke. Powell, Vucevic, Ja Morant. 5 spots left in red zone minis. You with me, hanging out.
Blah! Tabby!
What did he do?
He's...
No, he's not.
I promise you.
Why?
Because
Because of the face he was making.
the lemon.
Oladipo, Eric Bledsoe, Jalen Noel.
He was going like this.
Well, Grayson wants to call his prostate 11. Is that why he's still eating it?
Oh.
Right up in there.
What? What? He's feral.
Walker, Teague, Darius Garland. Nice. Yeah, I'm feral today. It's been like a long week.
I don't know what you want to do.
Real busy.
I'll do redemptions first.
I know Hendo got some nice jerseys. Bogdan, Drew Holiday, DeAndre Hunter. First one for Karina.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, yeah.
Other than a few Trey Youngs in the old hip hop. Oh, I will, Deeds. Magda, not for a very long time now. Should have pre-ordered with us. Silly boy. Prince, Embiid, Kevin Durant tribute. I mean, you couldn't because we didn't have them up. We only had them up for breaks, but still. Bottom, Bryant, Alan Smaldrick. Wordy Carter, Zion tribute. Nice. First one. Trey Young had a... Yeah, there was a Trey laser. I remember saying Young. I know because Tabby tightens up anytime he hears. Dion Waiters, Russell Westbrook, and Alfonso McKinney. Cool.
Would you rather we do? You're giving us a prioritizer?
Brunners, DeRozan, Admiral Schofield. Brookie still at work. Who's Tabby investing in?
Probably.
I know he's doing second year Lucas, but I don't think he went back to oh nice, Steph Curry. Ingles, Cameron Johnson. Kemba, Teague, Rajon Rondo. DC asks if Tabby's done his job, his list yet. Durant, Lillard, Quindery Weatherspoon. Poor DDC. Tabby just... I remember when Tabby used to care about the people? Holiday, Brogdon, Kyrie Irving. Brooks, Butler, Justin James. Nothing too far. We haven't got into the parts where you can actually get the nice hits yet. Brookie just got home.
Oh, is she
Lopez,
gonna talk
Nurkic,
some
Harrison Barnes.
naughty shop again?
Yeah. Something about Luke Kennard, Josh Jackson, Dean Wade. Listen, I'll get through it. Porzingis, Giles, Jeremy Lamb. I think it's all tomorrow, Magda. I have no idea. Dinwiddie, Ursan, Julius Erving tribute. Magda, you're not going to buy any. Gordon Hayward, M48, Duncan Robinson. PayPal, blake.riley4@live.com.au. And I'll buy them for you if you want me to. PJ Tucker, Buddy Hield, Sekou Doumbia rookie. Oh, Terry, I can smell that orange.
Actually, wasn't as bad as I thought it was.
You ate it and made a sour
Your
face.
face said otherwise.
You became sour boy.
Like-
Dwight Powell, Nikola Vucevic, Alfonso McKinney. It's me, sour boy. Somebody has spiked my water.
What was that? You sour boy?
Yeah, it's me, sour boy. Laurie Markin and Frank Ntilikina, Taylor Horton Tucker. Remember we cared about Taylor Horton Tucker. Footy card Louis just said Tabby.
Oh.
FCL is back.
Where's his cards, Louis?
We've got him.
Yeah, I was like to say it.
Oh, okay. Have you read something?
No.
Porter Jr., Siakam, Kobe White.
What's that?
Tabby, so there's comedians who do like open mic training. So like they train other people how to be comedians, and I think that's something you're kind of just born with. But power to them if it's successful. I think I'm going to do the same thing with breaking.
You're going to offer a service.
Service.
Wow.
Just like how to stay up for 24 hours, how to make good friends.
How to be so charismatic.
Ugh, I'm not good at that. Kevin Huerta, Vince Carter, Zion tribute for the last one. Good timing. Best angle to hide all your chins. I haven't found it out yet, but when I do, that's the service I'm going to offer. And I want Footy Card Louis to be my first subject.
Then me.
No, just how to maximize breaking potential. Blake's School of Hard Knocks. I had nothing else. Harden, Bacon,
Good.
Gallinari, Robinson, Van Vliet, Markel Fultz, Roby, Beverly, Hunter. That's it. Silver, Bobo, Scope, Mitch Robinson, and courtside LeBron. Wow, nice. That's it. Once you deal at a casino for a little bit, you learn. You learn how to put an ad on Fiverr. Hi, Blake Riley here.
Goodbye.
You might remember me from the background.
Good Friday and then weekend.
Talon Horton Tucker, Kobe White, Taco Fall, Silver Queen Cook, Blue Rajon Rondo, Blue NBA City of Lillard.
I don't know if to break down Tabby, but if it did while we drop a video off, that would be pretty funny.
Red Zone sold out. That's what I like to hear.
Fill the cabin with smoke. Yeah, I'll straight out.
You know me. I like to pass on my goodness.
I wonder if she's loud. She can't breathe.
Ty Jerome, Jordan McLaughlin, Cody White, Silver Kevin Porter Jr., Batum. We got next with Baisley. That's fucked.
Smells like it? No?
I try to be a good people person.
Like people.
Jordan Poole, Rui Hachimura, Silver DeMar DeRozan, Green Isaiah Roby, and courtside of Caddy. Of course, Tabby, you've quickly amassed one of the better Karl Anthony Towns collections in Australia. And you've got an eye on some more, don't you?
I do.
You're hungry. Do you think he ever comes back from this, or do you think that it's a big what if? Like, because obviously what he's been through this year is very taxing on the mind. Do you think he'll come back good?
I think he loves the game of basketball enough. And
Yeah.
he wants to do... He said it before. He wants to make his family proud.
Oh wow.
He knows basketball the best, so he's going to make them proud as best he can in what he knows. I think he'll be alright.
Got my first little part of birthday money. Tabby in the shop next week. He is. Days you're in, Tabby.
Monday, Tuesday, let's go about public holiday.
Oh, yes. I'll be here. Maybe I won't.
I'm not sure what.
I think it's just a normal day for me, Toby.
Yeah.
Romeo Langford, Alan Smargic, Jarrett Culver, Silver, Grant Dragic, Green, Brendan Ingram, NBA City of Donovan Mitchell.
Yeah, I'm not sure about.
I think I'll come in and do one show.
Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm doing.
No special breaks or anything, just one show. Keldon Johnson, Marcus Morris, tribute of Zion Williamson. Silver, Deion Waiters, Green, Pat Beverly, and Zero Gravity, Jaylen Brown. Do you remember this time last year, Tabby, when we did the fire breaks?
Yeah, wow.
That was this year. Oh, last year, sorry.
This time off.
Yeah,
Crazy. That's all.
absolutely. Like, that feels like so long ago now. Bol, Charles Barkley, Silver, Luka Doncic. Nice one there for the Mavericks. Oh, numbered of Dwight Powell. Jeez, you'd swap those in a heartbeat. Numbered 42 of 99. And Kobe White, we got next.
Get it.
Yeah.
In a heartbeat, get it?
Oh, nice. Yeah, we, why heartbeat?
Because that's Dwight Powell's nickname with the signature.
Really? I don't know that. That was not a reference. That was just a straight up
You
thing.
know his auto? How it like flattens out and then comes back.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool. I made it funny, apparently.
Yeah.
Funnily enough, there's not much space in breaks these days. Like, you should see the comparison even just here. Hey, nobody want Bismack Biyombo. Bismack Beyond Blue. Matisse Thybo. Karl Malone. Silver, Gorgie Dang. Blue, Aaron Holiday. Zero Gravity, Russell Westbrook. So, yeah. What else have you had your eyes on lately, Toby? Malik Beasley, Jalen Brown, Kevin Looney, Josh Jackson, Ozan Aliso, Buddy Hield, Grant Williams. Jalen Lacroix. Tyler Hero, rookie. Silver, Teague. Blue, Noel. And an NBA Hoops we got next, the Sekou Doumbia.
What have I had my eyes on lately?
Yeah, like anything interesting?
Really just focusing on grading at the
Yeah?
moment. Yeah.
That's where your money's gone?
Yeah.
Picking up a few things here and there, but mainly grading?
Yeah. I've got my Supreme Hardcore collection finished.
Oh, nice.
The last piece arriving.
Will you ever grade that Jared Allen NTRPA 01?
I checked it again.
The surface is bad.
It's similar to the KG that you got me to check.
Is that KG damaged?
Yeah, corners.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Otherwise,
Brendan Clark, Naz Reid, Silver, Lou Dort, Green, Dwight Powell, and backstage pass of that's a blue of Russell Westbrook. Yeah, that's a shame.
yeah.
It's crazy how many of those came with those fingernail marks. They mustn't be fingernail marks. Like, it must be, because you see them on Mosaic as well. It must be the same thing. Like, remember this year, heaps on Mosaic, you saw, like, it looks like a fingernail. It looks like you'd,
Yeah.
but it must be something else.
Must be a freaking error. Yeah. No, I don't need it slabbed. Like, it still looks sick, you know?
Yeah. Good patch as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Bruno Fernando, Silver, Terrence Davis, Green, Siakam, Blue, 0G of Blake Griffin.
I could have bought the true NT-RPA of Caris LeVert for $90 back in the day.
Well, what's that now?
All over again.
Who do I collect? Bruno Fernando. No, not Bruno Fernando. Silver, Paul Millsap base, Justice Winslow, Green, Talon Horton Tucker, and a silver we got next, Romeo Langford. I don't really collect anyone at the moment, to be honest. I have...
You've got some nice.
I've got some-
Patrick Ewing.
I got some nice Patrick Ewings, I got some nice Foxes, but I tend to kind of pick up anything that I find really, really interesting. So, for example, I've got like a Betty White autograph. I love Lego. I'm always looking for fun stuff like that. Girls I'm attracted to. Star Wars Lego. Well, Tabby, like, I am waiting for someone to pick up the Riverdale license. I thought for sure that... Who's the one who does the Game of Thrones?
Cryptozoic.
Cryptozoic. I had a few autos and then I moved some of them on, but I've got a fair few game-worn jerseys. Jersey patches, not actual jerseys. I've got a signed Team USA card, authenticated, and just a few other little things. Kevin Porter Jr., Robertson Silver, Dylan Brooks, Green, Rui Hachimura tribute. Nah, no ADC rookie, but I will get one eventually. NBA City of Harden. That's on the list. I should probably get it before it goes up too much. What else do I have, Tabby, that I like?
Buddy Hield.
A few Buddy Hields. I've got a couple of Kabooms. I bought them.
Oh, yeah,
Chuck and Shaq. I bought them when last time Gary Vee said he liked them. Ty Jerome, tribute, Rui, Silver Turner, Green Chandler. We got next to DeAndre Hunter. Yeah. I love Kabooms. I think they're really cool. I have so many comics. So yeah, I don't actually PC anyone at the moment. I thought Tyrese Halliburton, but nothing's come out this year, and it's kind of hard to get. PJ Washington, Terrence Mann, Dirk Nowitzki, fucking hell. Silver, Karis LeVert, Blue, George Hill, and an NBA City of Tatum. That came around so quick. Like, it's so annoying. Yeah. When did I call it, Tabby?
As you drafted it.
Yeah, I was like, I like this guy. Jordan McLaughlin, Romeo Langford, Alan Smilejic, Silver McCollum, Green Bagley, NBA City of Gordon. Yeah, I had a massive Fox collection, but I sold it to travel. And then traveling didn't happen, and now I'm depressed. D'Lo Russell wasn't really good love. Michael Bridges, Carly Downs, Andre Robertson, RJ Barrett, Lucas Samanich, Meryl Shiok, Silver Russell Westbrook, Green Buddy Hield, Zero Gravity Durant. Yeah, I pretty much just pick up anything I find cool and dumb. I own a Bruno Fernando card that says #come on it. Dort, Baisley, Wade Tribute, Silver Levine, Blue Moutier. We got next to Tyler Hero. Tabby, who are some of your big guys? Obviously, LeVert, Allen, Cat, Wiggins. Kogi's getting mad minutes.
Yeah, it's looking good.
McDaniels, Hunter, Paul, Tribute, Silver, Iverson, Kevin Herter, Green, NBA City of Embiid.
Got some nice Levines, Markkanen,
ZLT will be a little bit later on. That's right, Markkanen.
Colin Sexton.
Steph Curry base. I always include Curry now. Jalen Noel. So let me tell you a story, Tabby. Karl Malone, Silver, Mike Conley, Green Sunny Ilyasova, NBA City of Dragic. Friend of mine's father went through some rough times with health issues, Casey Okpala. So they did a big night to raise money for him. Nasir Little, Silver, Montrez, Bojan Bogdanovic, Silver, courtside Joel Embiid. Everyone in the community loved him, so it was real easy to get everybody there. And so Cherry donated a whole bunch of stuff to it. And so turns out that from the raffle / silent auction, my best friend, who I mention a lot here, Jess, just through raffle ticket purchases and silent auction stuff, is sitting on, LeBron James, a Prism Steph Curry order.
Oh.
Cameron Johnson, Justin James, Anthony Davis, Silver, Devin Booker, Green, Lonnie Walker, backstage pass, Luka Doncic, and a sealed box of a 1920 Prism Hobby EPL.
What?
Yeah. Because I knew that there's a lot of soccer fans there. I knew there's a lot of basketball fans there. So I was like, that'll be what we donate. And she ended up with them both.
Wow.
And so I forgot about them. Then I'm like, wait a minute, do you still have those? Dean Wade, Sekou Doumbia, Charles Barkley, Silver, Hassan Whiteside, Green, Nikola Vucevic, John Wall. Yes, we sure are, Brendan. Biggest chase card, Joe, is there are numbered cards in it. But yeah, just the variants and stuff as usual. Cameron Johnson, the lasers are numbered. Justin James, Anthony Davis, Silver, Darius Baisley. Green, DeAndre Hunter tribute, and a backstage pass to CP3. Yeah. So yeah, I was like, do you still have that? She's like, yeah. I'm like, send me pictures of the front and back.
For grading.
No, to sell.
Oh.
Who would have thought, hey? The best investment probably at Cherry Made. Oh, Toby, I'm getting tired.
You've got this, Blakey.
Luckily, ZLT coming up soon. Nicolo Melli. Hopefully, Dwayne Dedman. Ignis Brazdecker. Silver, Alan Smaljic. Green, Adams. And a blue backstage pass to Jaren Jackson. Can you do me a favour and grab me 2 trays? In fact,
Silver trays.
yeah, no Trey Young. Just find them anyway. Oh, just take them home. I'm joking, obviously. No, there's actually one right there behind you, so it's not too bad of an issue. Jackson Hayes, Nicholas Claxos, Rob Covington, Silver and Fournier, Jalen Noel Green, and a NBA City of Lowry. Yes, red zone definitely first. Well over halfway through, so we'll clean up a little bit. I got a card for free from someone when I started collecting. It's a Miles Bridges rookie card, 6 of 10. Who gave you that? That's a big card. No matter what it's from.
Wow. Because he doesn't sign. So
He doesn't
rookie
sign,
stuff.
so like his rookie stuff. Who the hell gave you that? I want to be friends with them. Baden, there's a whole bunch of stuff left to fill for tonight. We're just doing the old cellos. Last is going to be so much easier than this. Thank God. That'll do. Feel ready to return those to the pedestal. Yeah, I thought for sure Riverdale would have trading cards made around it, but they don't. Not a single one. I assume it's because they're owned by whoever does Archie Comics. Which I think is DC, and DC is Cryptozoic, so... Unless... Yeah, I've searched for a while for an authentic... Yeah, absolutely it's good. A rookie to 10 of a guy who still gets minutes. Absolutely. Waters, Valanciunas, Silver, Rivers, Green, LeBron James, nice for the Lakers, and a Cam Reddish we got next. Old footy card Louis scammed his way into a big one there. Whoever sent it to him was like, damn you, Louis.
Well, it says it's from us. So.
Yeah, I'm not sure who it would have been. Luka Doncic base. Daughter, Baisley, Paul, Silver, Jarrett Culver, Tabby's mate, Green Sabonis, and we got next of Nikhil. Oh, nice, Wade. Why is the ZLT so expensive this week? It has both Crown Royale and Contenders 18-19 in it. Darius Garland, Cam Reddish, Julius Erving, Silver, Kyrie Irving, Bogdan, Scope, courtside, John Wall.
Doesn't have Crown Royale, does it?
What it have?
Contenders Optic, doesn't it?
Oh, Contenders Optic, sorry. Contenders Optic and Contenders Hobby for 18-19. So it's a big chance at massive, like literally massive cards. It was actually never meant to be the same price, funnily enough. Luka Doncic again. It was actually meant to kind of be an always fluctuating thing, and then it kind of just got into habit of Dylan Windler, Terrence Davis, Silver, Mo Wagner, Green, Vince Carter, Blue. We got next, Cameron Johnson. How much are the Olympiacos Benfica combo in iMac? Oh, I think they're like $20 or something. They're not too expensive. Yeah, trust me, it's not just the same blasters for $120. It's $140, whatever it is. Oh, Tabby, a couple breaks selling out. Finally.
Bang, bang.
Shai Gildas, Larry Nance, Maxi Kleber, Frank Corner. Grant Williams, Jalen Leclerc, Tyler Hero, rookie. Let's leave up one of those. Silver, Rui Hachimura, Green, Nerlens Noel, Blue, Zero Gravity of Zach LaVine, who's playing very well. You also have a nice Zach LaVine PC, Tabby.
Yeah. Not as nice as Dale's, turns out.
What does Dale have?
Remember? When we flexed on me when I showed my best card, he showed his best card. I was like, wow, okay. Remember?
Your best card is nice, though. Isn't it gold 10 BGS 95?
Yeah, this is a rookie logo, man.
Who with? Or is it just LaVine?
That's not me.
Jeez, Dale would have some nice stuff. Hope he gives me a present one day. No, just for $1. They might even be 15 or something. I honestly cannot remember. They might be one of 10 $1. Just a little one boxer. Eric Paschal, Damian Lillard, silver James Harden, blue Shaquille O'Neal tribute. That's a nice card. And Paul George. They're one of the cheapest ones. Powell, Huerta, Durant, Anthony, Hernan Gomez, Randall, Barnes, Tremont Waters, Jonas Valanciunas, silver Marcus Morris, green Tyler Hero, and a blue Zero Gravity Carlin Towns. Biggest card in my collection at the moment is my 1/1 encased De'Aaron Fox rookie, graded 9.5. I tend to pick up things and move them on pretty quickly because I have such fleeting obsessions. At the moment, it's Star Wars Lego. Before, it's probably action figures. What else have I been obsessed with lately, Tabby? Jackson Hayes, Nicholas Claxton, Rob Covington, Silver Dwayne Bacon, Green Rudy Gay, NBA City Blake Griffin.
Remember when you stayed up for hours playing Genshin Impact?
I never really stayed up for hours. Like,
Not like all-nighters, but
no.
you'd hustle.
I'd get home and play.
Remember
Jordan Poole? Julius Erving. I'm playing again, actually.
Oh, yeah.
Carl Malone, Green Austin Rivers, courtside Ben Simmons. It's a lot of fun. Because they said it was like Unova Day. I'm like, oh my god, I still need the Unova medal, and now I'm obsessed again.
Oh.
Dylan Windler, Terrence Davis, silver Kyle Lowry, green Cameron Johnson, and a Zero Gravity Giannis. But also I have a lot of cards that are pretty special to me. Like, I've always loved Betty White, which is, the more I say it, the weirder it is. But yeah, that one is very special to me. The Patrick Ewing that Tabby got me for Christmas. Son of a bitch.
Love you.
Jalen Noel, Brent Forbes, Karl Malone, silver Avery Bradley, green Zach LaVine. We got next. These are multi-packs, Ken C. It depends on who of. Like, it can honestly be worth it just to flog it off early, especially if it's in a nice product. Just get rid of it. It's peak. If it's somebody who's going to blow up, I think it depends on the player with most of those. Isaiah Roby, Pat Beverly, silver Mo Bamba, green Shayok, and then we got next of Hunter. Nearly done, Tabby. I feel like this one's taking me a lot longer. Multi-packs of Cello, yes. What's the biggest card in your collection, Tabby? Ja? Willie Cauley-Stein, DeAndre Hunter, Karl Malone, Silver Thumb McCurr, green Seka Doumbia, and Kendrick Nunn.
Jar.
Yeah?
Jar with Jordan.
Jeez, that's big.
Next would probably be the...
Oh, Joe. Oh, wow. Clyde Drexler, Timeless Moments 101. Where'd you get that? That's a nice card. Did we hit that one? No, we hit a few of them. Jeez, I can understand your thing. Admiral Schofield, Alfonso McKinney, Shaq, Silver Caruso, Green Gobert. We got next. I would, if I was thinking about selling, bought a box from us. Oh, wow. Jeez, no one found out about that. Daniel Gafford, Mike Scott, Quinndary Weatherspoon, Silver Malik Beasley, Green Drew Holiday, Zero Gravity Ben Simmons. So, I would, sell before Noir comes out. Because I have a lot of spotlight signature about him. Cody Martin, Ja Morant, finally. Goga, Silver Middleton, Daniel Gafford Blue, and NBA City of Curry. So yeah, sell before Noir comes out if you are going to sell. Because, geez, have you remember when we had 1-on-1 for $600 a box?
Those were the days.
I'll be honest, Tabby, I didn't call it. There was one that I straight up had no idea was going to be so popular. Brandon Clark, Naz Reid, Silver Train Prince, Green DeAndre Adam, Victor Oladipo. Oh, I don't want to fight Cliff. I've fought Cliff. I've beat Cliff, Tabby. Eat shit, Cliff. Kai Guy, Benny Simons, Carson Edwards, Silver Rudy Gay, Blue Bryn Forbes, Oz Bridges. Well, yeah, it's now more expensive by the card than National Treasures is, which is crazy. Admiral Schofield, Allen Iverson, Silver De'Aaron Fox, Green Jan Leclerc. Oh, me. Oh. We got next, RJ Barrett. Feel Tabby's heart beat to the sound of the drum. So yeah, Tabby, I've been playing a little bit. Carson Edwards for the Warriors, High Voltage, Draymond Green, Silver Millsap, Green Luka Doncic, Blue Courtside of Giannis. Jeez, every time you get like one good pack, the whole thing is so good.
Yeah.
Is that good enough for you, Mr. Kenny? Matt, Love, Davis, Towns, Roberson, Wall, PJ Washington, Terrence Mann, Allen Iverson, Silver, Steven Adams, Green Tribute, nice, RJ Barrett, Darius Garland. Well, of course, T-Bone, a massive fan of Noir. Remember the time you won a box of Noir from us? 18-19? Adebayo, Griffin, Irving, Fultz, Ariza, Johnson, Jarrett Culver, Matisse, Dirk, Silver, none. Blue, Frank Ntilikina, Zero Gravity, Joel Embiid. Nothing major so far out of these packs. A few to 99. Bol, Quinn Cook, Kevin Porter, Silver, Nickeil Alexander-Walker, Green, nice, Kobe White, Blue, Courtside, Trae Young. See? The Courtside insert.
Courtside Trae Young.
Yeah. Wow, select is weird. I saw a post today. Keldon Johnson, Marcus Morris, Anthony Davis, Silver, Lonzo Ball, Green, Wendell Carter, backstage pass, Kawhi Leonard. Yeah, T-Bone, we have the first box that we, the first 5 box break, or second maybe, had a Terrence Davis, I want to say. Ja Morant, nice.
What, auto?
Yeah. Goga, Darius Garland, Silver, Romeo Langford, Green Tribute, CP3, Blue, Zero Gravity, AD. How are the fingers? Fine. You don't do a few rodeos without getting a few calluses, as I always say.
Good boy.
Guy, Anthony Simons, Carson Edwards, Silver, Reggie Jackson, Green, Ntilikina. Jaren Jackson backstage pass, Silver. Oh, any good autos? Hell no. Wondering if I should follow. I'm hoping we get another one. We're down to our last couple. Good to get these done, though. Include Trey. Just because it's such a nice Mifiondu Kabengele. Zion! Nikhil! Marcus Smart! Green, Justin James. And we got next Silver of Sekou Doumbia. Jersey number Kevin Porter, RC to 25 for 1-1. Oh. Well, I don't know. People like a troubled player. Jordan Poole. Rui Hachimura. What? Silver. Kyrie Irving. Green. Paul George. Courtside Dimich.
I'm troubled.
Why are you troubled, Tabby?
You know it. Come on. Real, isn't it?
What? I don't know what you're referencing. Cam Reddish. Daniel Gafford. Kirby White. Silver Torrey Craig. Green Triple J. Zero Gravity Hamidou Diallo. Tell you what, I haven't listened to a lot of this year, Tabby's music.
You don't know what I'm referencing.
I'm troubled. Nah.
I'm troubled.
Quintery Weatherspoon, Rajon Rondo, Silver Marvin Bagley. Blue Rodions Karuks, Nikola Jokic. Well, you said it like March.
Troubled. Sorry, I think that's hard.
That's a very obscure reference. Strange. Like, I like that, Tabby. I really, really like that. Kendrick Dunn, Rui Hachimura, Dwayne Wade Tribute, Silver Media, Green Jordan Clarkson, NBA City of Adams.
Got a little bit in this.
Yeah.
What is it? I was like, this has to be right.
Kuz, Murray, Bazemore, Reddick, Lopez, Cantor, Al Horford, Brendan Clark, Naz Reid, Silva, John Wall, Green, Jalen McDaniels, rookie. I think if you said, "Are you drinking whiskey?" NBA City of Knox,
Yeah.
I would have known. Is that the movie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
When they're in Canada.
I haven't watched the movie that many times. PJ Washington, Terrence Mann, Dirk Nowitzki, Silva, Keldon Johnson, Blue, DeAndre Ayton, and a zero gravity of Aaron Gordon. Final pack of 24-hour 58. Here we go. Sam McGurk, Justice, Thon McCurr, Terrain Prince, Thomas Bryant, Drew Holiday, Lonnie Walker, RJ Barrett, Lucas Samanich, Mario Shiok, Silva, Delhi, Green, Montrez, and a silver courtside of Karl Anthony Towns. And that is that for 24-hour 58. Thank you so much for joining me in doing those breaks.